So, for our next topic is higher derivatives. So, yung mga previous discussion natin about derivatives, they are just only first derivative sila. So, how about we get the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, or the higher derivatives of a function. So, just simply apply lang yung mga basic formulas natin. So, multiple times siya. Kung second derivative yung first derivative natin, we have to differentiate that again. So, kung etong function na to, so we have an explicit function, y is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed minus x squared plus 3x plus 4. So, kung kukunin natin yung third derivative niya, so get the third derivative. So, kung third derivative ang sinasabi natin, so you have to differentiate 3 times. So, 3 beses kang the derivative for this function. So, una, we have to get the first derivative of this one. So, we have y prime. That would be, so, bring down 4. So, 4 minus 1 is 3. So, plus, so 3 times 2 is 6. So, we have x. So, 3 minus 1 is 2. So, minus, bring down yung 2 natin. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, kaya 1 yan. So, ito naman, 3x. Derivative of 3x is 3. And then, the derivative of a constant is 0. So, first derivative lang to. So, this is the first derivative. So, yung second derivative is we have y double prime. So, ang i-differentiate naman natin is yung first derivative. So, eto. So, bring down 3. So, 3 times 4 is 12. So, we have x raised to 3 minus 1. We have 2. Plus, so 2 times 6 is 12. So, x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1. So, minus, so, derivative of 2x is 2. Then, constant lang naman yan, kaya 0. So, this is your second derivative. So, hindi pa tayo tapos kasi third derivative yung kinukuha natin. So, for the third derivative, that is y triple prime. So, this would be equal to, so 2 times 12, that is 24. So, x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1, kaya 1 lang yan. So, plus, so 12x, derivative of 12x is 12. And then, derivative of negative 2 is 0. So, ito na yung hinahanap ng ating problem, which is yung third derivative niya. So, this is the third derivative. So, this also higher derivatives are also applied sa ating mga implicit functions. So, kagaya ng, so this is example number 1, kagaya ng x squared natin plus y squared, this is equal to 25. So, this is an implicit function. So, kukunin natin yung second derivative. So, sabihin natin that is your second derivative. So, una, you have to get the first derivative. So, ito, the derivative of x squared with respect to x, we have 2x. So, dx over dx, or that is simply 1. So, plus the derivative of y squared, that is 2y. So, derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx. And this is equal to 0 kasi constant lang naman yan. So, getting dy over dx. So, ito yung first derivative. So, that is equal to, so, lagay natin sa kabila. So, this will become negative 2x. So, this will be dy over dx. So, we have negative 2x all over 2 y. So, cancel out, magka-cancel out. So, yung first derivative would be x over y. So, this is dy over dx. So, this is only our first derivative. So, yung second derivative niya is we have to get the derivative of this one again. So, for the second derivative, so this would be d squared y all over dx squared. So, this would be, so ito is a fraction siya or division. So, we will use yung quotient rule. So, copy natin yung denominator, which is y, then get the derivative of the numerator, which is dx over dx. So, minus, copy the numerator, which is x, then get the derivative of the denominator, which is dy over dx. So, this is all over the square of the denominator. Kaya magiging y squared yan. So, ito would be equal to 1 kasi identity rule lang naman yan. But this one, we have dy over dx. So, first derivative siya. So, sasubstitute natin yung value ng ating first derivative, which is x over y. So, this would be equal to y minus x multiplied by x minus y. So, ito. So, first derivative, ito yung first derivative. So, this is all over y squared. So, simplify lang natin yung numerator. So, we have multiply the numerator and the denominator by y kasi yun yung least common denominator natin dito sa numerator na part. So, multiply lang natin ng y all over y. So, y multiplied by y would be y squared. So, minus. So, we have x times x is x squared. So, we have x squared over y multiplied by y. So, magkakancel lang yung y natin. So, yung matitira is x squared. So, all over, we have y multiplied by y squared. So, we have y cubed. And this would be the final answer for this problem. So, this is the second derivative. So, kung hinahanap pa ng problem yung third derivative, so we have to get the differentiate again itong second derivative natin to get the third derivative for this problem.